I want you to know the biting point first. So just like roll, just try to roll forward.
Won't stall it.
You won't stall it?
I won't, I'm calling.
All right. You don't even have to add gas, just let off the clutch very slowly. And as soon as you find the biting point, just keep the foot there. All right, there you go. See? You're already doing great.
This clutch is so heavy.
Your left leg's gonna get bigger than your right one.
No.
So what do you think, babe?
I think you have 3.
I need a 4th. There's obviously an extra spot. What's going on, guys? Today is a very special day. We are doing a photo shoot of all 3 of my 86s all together because the BRZ is finally gonna sell soon. So before it goes, I wanna make sure I get all the cars together. Right now I'm getting the COS lip on the BRZ. So just so it looks a little bit more pretty. It's like putting lipstick on a pig. This rubs so bad.
I haven't seen it driving in forever. Man, I don't like short shifters.
You don't like the short shifter?
Oh, I like that one a lot better.
The stock one or
the stock one.
Oh.
It just feels like I'm gonna put it in the wrong gear. Like
after you drive it for like a week, you get used to it.
Oh, okay.
That one sucks. The IRP, I don't mind. That one's not that bad. I'm gonna park this one real quick. I like how I'm selling the nicest BRZ that I own.
Okay. 34 really sells this Saturday, which it seems like it will. I don't know if I should break the news.
Just keep
right away.
Just overhang. Yeah, when this sells, I'm not gonna break the news right away. Oh, I'm dumb. I gotta turn on the lights. Like. I might pull up the silver one for some more pictures. Like the silver one, like I'm thinking, what do you think if the silver one comes closer and I'll sit in front of the silver one and they're in the background? Yeah, I might do that.